हाय, दिस इज लाइक कोकोनट. बहुत सारी बातें कोकोनट के बारे में चल रही है. एक्चुअली वाई? बिकॉज वी आर इन तमिलनाडु, वी आर इन द पोलाची. एक्चुअली फॉर द कोकोनट स्टडी बोलो या फिर शिपमेंट बोलो, एक्सपोर्ट बोलो, बिजनेस बोलो, एनीथिंग, लॉट ऑफ दैट इज involved in that. But yes, while going this journey, we are meeting so many people and we are like getting the inspiration from the so many people. And actually I mostly inspire, क्योंकि है ना कि बुक्स पढ़ने से अच्छा है कि अगर हम इंसान को पढ़े तो बहुत कुछ समझ में आता है. और उन लोगों ने जितना कुछ ग्राउंड पे वर्क किया है उससे बहुत सारी बातें होती है. ऐसे ही आज मैं एक इंसान से मिली, लाइक कुछ भी कहो, लाइक ही इज सक्सेसफुल इन like his way of doing business and many more things he has achieved. So let's explore that person. Like you will get to know more about the business, about the struggles, challenges and lot many things cover. Okay, so yes, and he is a person of like success, challenges, inspiration and many more things. So sir, please introduce yourself, your name and like what you are doing right now.
Hello friends and everybody who are following. Your good name, madam?
KD Sushma.
Yeah, KD Sushma. But I am Selvaraj. I am from Pollachi. I am doing coconut trading business and yam business for the past 8 years. We are having both business and domestic and export business.
Yes.
So actually we have started a career from corporate company. Then we quit the job and we entered as an entrepreneur. And we have had a lot of struggle in business from the day one. We have believed some peoples and they cheated. So it's a take as a lesson for me.
Yeah.
So and I have a confidence that I will be come back. So again I step and I moved in front of and I achieved so many things in my life in the 8 years. So if anything that we want to success in our life, we want to be in positively. So whatever the problems that we are having, we want to have the challenges, we want to face it clearly and we want to execute them, not to sitting in the desk and we want to have a boss. We want to be
actually.
A groundwork.
Yes,
So then
yes.
only we will be able to apply in all the angle that we want to sit in a boss. As a chair, we can identify what are the struggles that we are having from the ground. That we can know.
So that gives us confidence.
Yeah, that will
like,
be more
we can do
confidence for
anything.
us. Otherwise, if we directly come and sit in the chair, we can't do what is happening in the middle or in the ground. We want to start everything. We want to have analyze from the ground, and then only want to have a
Yes.
sitting in a table.
So one
it will be
quick
helpful.
question, like
Yeah.
I want to ask you, is a good explanation, and in the very few words you will get to know about him and his personality and what he has achieved actually. So I want to ask you one thing, like many people are like joining me. So as I am a trainer, I am teaching various things about the international business actually. So many people come to join me, but they are doing the jobs, they are doing something there well, but they don't have that courage and then confidence that they left that and started their business. So what like pushes you, motivates you to leave your job and started this business?
There is a two thing. If we have a job, we will come around and we want to work for them only. We have not have any creativity to our business.
Okay.
So if we are in a job, we can't able to think about our business because we want to have and follow to them only. We cannot having any time to do our creativity work.
Okay.
So if we left from the job, it's very difficult for 3 or 4 months or 5 months.
Yes, actually.
Somebody have taken it for a long time, for 5 years also.
Yes,
They want to achieve for it, have taken some more of the people have. I have one friend, he has success in business after 55 years.
Yes, actually.
So until then he has a lot of failures and he has learned more
Struggles
things.
and experiences
Everything,
and
the
challenges.
failure that we are having, it's a challenge and it's the thing that we want to face in front of
Yes.
the face to face. Then only the difficult things will be challenged for us. We want to take challenges.
Yes.
First things we want to take challenge in our life. We want to achieve. Then only the motivation from our side, or we want to follow another motivation. If we just sit idle, we can't have any idea.
Yes.
We want to follow any another, the person that who are give inspiration or motivation speech.
Yes.
So that's the main thing that we want to have.
So actually, so what do you understand from this? Like leaving the job, quitting the job, like you need to have some inspiration, some motivation, and they have like they want to become own boss. They want to apply their own mind, their own creativity, and they want to create something big. Might be the like stuckness, limitations are there in
Yes,
the job, and
definitely
you
there
can't
will be a
be open
limitation.
in that way, and you can't be explored in that way. So that is why they left the job and started the business. So might be you get to know about that, and you get to like have the motivation that you should apply that in your business or in your life career, and yes, you can achieve that dream also. So one more question, like you rightly said, like you have like got the loss, you gone through the losses, like people are cheated to you, but still you are standing here and you are doing the great business right now from the last 8 years. So what is that thing? What you will tell us like about the profit and loss in the business?
See, in every business there will be profit and loss. So that is called a business. If you are not having a profit and loss, then we can have an employment now. So we can just got 30 days, we can work and they will give you a salary for 30 days. So in a business, we want to have a definitely loss. Then only we will be
We will learn actually
and
where
we
we
want
are
to have
wrong and
achieved
where we
things.
need
Correct.
to correct the
Correct.
things.
Yeah,
Might be, and the challenges will break you, make you, and they will build you the personality that you want to achieve. But actually, might be the people don't know about the potential they have actually, and the challenges will bring your potential, and they
Definitely.
will show you like you are the different person, and you can do many more things. Like they have one more partner. Sir, please come. So the combination of two persons like created many more things actually, and yes, we are enjoying the learnings with them also. And like I can believely say, firmly say, like discussing with them and exploring with them their experiences is I learned lot of things actually. So what you tell about the business? Like for example, like many people are actually listening and watching this video, right? But they want to start the business, but they at the some point of time they stuck. They can't like step ahead. So can I go? Can I not? So might be the losses, might be the failures, and might be I can't survive. Might be I can't sustain. Like so, to them, what will you say them? What need to be done?
We want to be a good confident. See, what are the steps that we are
only a business success will be business.
as entrepreneurs, the self-confidence to be a good thing. So without having
So
the
might be if
self-confidence-
I am the person like watching this video and you are saying with the answer like self confidence, you should have the self confidence.
Yeah.
So my question again is how to gain that self confidence.
That's why I'm telling, we want to have a creativity and we want to enter into the field. Then only we can know. Without sitting and thinking about whether we can go for this business or this business. We want to have any business.
Yes,
We want to involve it and we want to have that is a God and we are eating from that business.
Okay.
So the food that we are from eating from the business.
Actually,
is,
so this is the main thing. Love the business, love your work, and love what you are doing. So people are saying like do what you love and love what you do. So this is the main thing you need to achieve in this business, right? So have a passion actually, and then might be you can achieve that. So actually we are inspired by this, like by like making the losses also, but still you are here and with that confidence that yes you can go ahead. And yes, like we can't share the turnover actually, but still मैं ये तो कहूँगी more than crores they are earning, but this is different part like how much they are earning. And this is the part like they are standing here by making lot of struggles, and like I used to say them roller coaster का ride तो इतना किया है उन्होंने क्या पूछो नहीं, and फिर भी मतलब वो हवी है और इतने हंस रहे हैं, खुशी से हंस रहे हैं, and this is the only thing. So business is about the roller and coaster ride. अप एंड डाउन तो चलने वाला है, वो चलना चाहिए ताकि आप जिंदा हो, ऐसे आपको पता चलेगा. नहीं तो फिर ऐसे आराम से बैठ के फिर कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Actually, the ECG also says you are alive in that business. So business is about that only. So you need to be alive, and if you want to be alive, the challenges should be there. So challenges ऐसे मत लो कि वो निगेटिव में जाने के लिए आते हैं, लॉसेस करने के लिए आते हैं. Actually वो आप में से आपको खुद बाहर निकाल के और भी कुछ क्रिएट करने के लिए आते हैं. So just do that, and yes you can like have a suffer of coconut farming. कहाँ से क्या किया है उन्होंने, कैसे होता है, और कोकोनट के ऊपर एक अलग वीडियो आपको मिलने वाला है, how you can start your coconut export business. Just have a quick tour.